Local news for Wednesday, the 11th of December. South Wairarapa Mayor Alex Payne is urging the community to immediately cease using water outside and to conserve water generally. Mayor Baines says on Monday evening the pump at the town's low manganese bore faulted and is being urgently replaced. It's essential the community immediately respond to the pressing need to conserve water, he says. Greytown and Martinborough will celebrate their annual Christmas parades taking place this Saturday, with Greytown's kicking off at midday and Martinborough's at 5 p.m, with carols and entertainment in the square afterwards. Paymark figures show spending is well ahead of this time last year, taking a mid-November starting point 42 days ahead of Christmas. Spending is up 9.3% in Wairarapa, which is one of the 4 fastest growing areas outside the main centres. And in sport, it's the final night tonight of Twilight Hockey for 2019. The first game kicking off at 5:30. And the Martinborough Junior Open singles and doubles tennis takes place this coming Saturday. So good luck to all those involved. For local news and sport, kia ora, I'm Brent Gare.